Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect omelet. Whether you're a breakfast enthusiast or just looking to up your cooking game, this video will show you how to make a restaurant quality omelet right in your own kitchen. Plus, I'll share a little story about where omelets came from because who doesn't love a good food history lesson? Let's get cracking. Now, let's crack those eggs into a bowl. Pro tip: add a splash of milk or cream if you like, it makes the omelet extra fluffy. Then, whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined.
Crack the eggs, little bit salty, teaspoon salt, black pepper to taste. Here we go. Nice and soft. Shiny.
Next, heat your pan over medium heat. A non-stick pan is ideal for omelets, but if you don't have one, make sure to use enough butter or oil to prevent sticking. You want the pan hot but not smoking. This is key for that perfect golden finish. Once the butter is melted and slightly bubbly, pour in your eggs. Let them sit for a few seconds, then gently stir with a spatula to create soft curds. This helps cook the eggs evenly. When the edges start to set but the center is still slightly runny, it's time to add your fillings. Spread your fillings over one half of the omelet. This makes it easier to fold later. Now, let the omelet cook for another 30 seconds or so, until the bottom is golden and the top is just set. Here's the fun part: folding. Use your spatula to gently fold the omelet in half. If you're feeling fancy, you can even do a tri-fold by folding the sides in first. Then, slide it onto a plate. Look at that beauty.
This is garnish for my omelette. We call it garnish or decorating, decoration or garnishing. I'm sure Torontonians, they understand very well. Very lovely people, Torontonians. They know everything. Very civilized society, Toronto people. I miss you, Toronto. I will be back soon. My friend, Whole Food Market, coming soon. There we go.
Now, let's talk about where omelets came from. Did you know that omelets have been around for centuries? The ancient Persians were making a dish called kuku, which was essentially an omelette with herbs and vegetables. Fast forward to the 16th century, and the French perfected the art of the omelet, giving it the name we know today. There's even a fun legend that Napoleon Bonaparte and his army were served an omelet by a local innkeeper during their travels. Napoleon loved it so much that he ordered the townspeople to gather all the eggs in the village to make a giant omelet for his troops the next day. Whether that's true or not, it's a great story.
Very nice.
So there you have it, the secret to making a professional omelet at home, plus a little history to impress your friends at brunch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Let me know in the comments what your favorite omelet fillings are. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.